It's doing what it needs to do. Hey loves, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I am partnered with Luvme Hair. This is the Ombre Brown Bouncy Curly Wig. There's 4x4 lace, and you see the band, so you know this wig is glueless. There are 2 combs on each side, and also there's a comb in the middle, and then there's one in the back. So 4 combs in all. And there is an adjustable strap, so let's go ahead and tighten those straps, because once we put this wig on glueless, we do not want it to move. We want to make sure the cap is nice and snug. I went ahead and plucked some more at the hairline because I want to make sure that it looked really good and natural. Now that both sides have been plucked, I am going to go ahead and co-wash. So I'm going to be using the Tresemme conditioner today to do this co-wash. Okay, let's look at this pattern. Let's get into it. I'm using my detangler brush and I'm just combing through it right quick just to show you guys a really good view of what this hair looks like when it's wet. And I'm using my shirt to scrunch it, and I didn't have that much shedding actually. It was just a little bit of shedding. So I did not tint this lace at all. I'm actually going to use my Fit Me powder. This is going to be a glueless install. I decided to leave the side part. I didn't make a new part. It's a really good part already, so I was like, let me just leave it like that. So first I'm gonna go ahead and clip the hair back, and I'm going to cut the lace. Let's try to get as close as possible to this hairline without cutting off all the all the hair in the front. I always have an issue with this. I feel like I cut too much. Does anyone else have that issue where you feel like you sometimes cut too much, like too close, that you end up cutting off all that hair right there at the beginning of the hairline? And if you had baby hair, you know what I mean, like you would, it's almost as if you were cutting off all your baby hair. Yes, I'm gonna use my edge booster pomade. So I'm just putting some pomade on here. Hold it down while I put the pomade on there because it scoots back. I'm gonna use my hot comb just to establish this part. I want it to stay. It's like the part was already there. Like I said, I did not change the part at all, but I just want it to look even more defined. And I'm not going to do any baby hair. So where are my ladies who love a good ombre? Where are my ladies who love a good ombre? Okay, because this is one of them. This ombre, the color is giving. It's giving. Just adding some Go Glueless right here on top of the pomade. It just slicks it down even more and also allows me to get that volume that I really want. I'm obsessed with this gel. I am obsessed. You know, you got some products that you're like, girl, what would I do without this? I don't even know. Ever since I started using this Go Glueless, I've been crazy about it. Get into it. Just make sure you get the hair pretty wet so it can absorb the mousse. Start off with 3 pumps, coating the hair quite a bit. Right when it's wet, use my dimming brush and go slowly on those ends, and I bounce them just a little bit Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead. More pumps. More. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for. But you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say your mind. I just wanna say your mind. What you heard, your mind. All I'm really asking for is you. Your mind. I just wanna say your mind. What you heard, your mind. Long as you know who you belong to. I was actually sitting there letting my hair dry, but I could not help myself. Like, I just kept thinking, wow, maybe if I put some curl wands in this, like, it would just give me so much more volume. I mean, I love the color of this hair, and yeah, I just want to switch the pattern up just a little bit. I know you were probably like, why do I have a curl wand out? Well, I curl wand my hair. I did in the midst of letting it dry. I got a little anxious and I brought out my curl wand because I feel like the curl wand was going to give me so much more volume, and I didn't curl wand all of it, just the top and the top of the back part, right in the crown, like up through here. But this hair, as you see, has this really nice asymmetrical look, and it's just so cute. That's cute. Yes. So I have about this much more shedding on top of the shedding that I had when I did the co-wash. However, like I said, this is color treated hair. You expect shedding with color treated hair, but it wasn't bad. It was still minimal shedding overall. But look at this. This is so much hair. It's 150% density, but it looks so much fuller to me. And I think it's because I added the curl wand curls on top that gave it so much more volume and made it even bigger and fuller. This lace looks super natural, and I didn't even tint it. So let's get into that. I didn't even tint the lace, and it looks like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.